Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar short-term retracement yesterday quickly buckled after the failed challenge retreats from 79.15 resistance in early Asia. The outlook for the Australian dollar still remains soft, and since China published its report on industrial production and fixed assets investment yesterday, we have seen the Aussie weaken. China industrial production rose by 6.4 in July, below expectations of 7.1. With fixed assets investment and retail sales also rose less than expected last month to 8.3, missing the 8.6 forecast, with retail sales coming in at 10.4 and also missing the forecast of 10.9. The weaker data fueled fresh concerns over a slowdown in the world's second largest economy. China is Australia's biggest export partner and New Zealand's second biggest export partner. So with the market weakening, the focus now looks towards the support at 78.40, with the objective still looking to 77.55.70 and reassess from there. Resistance on the day comes in at 78.75 and firm above at 79.15. Later on this morning, the RBA is to publish the minutes of its latest monetary policy meeting at 11:30. The market will be looking for any kind of statement to a hawkish. However, it's most probable that we will still see a dovish tone from the RBA. With the dollar slightly strengthening overnight, the euro has weakened and backing away from the resistance of 118.40 to 118.80, with the uptrend now slightly risen to 117.05.15. A break beneath there would give further concerns to the bearish side and look towards 116.25.35, with the next target of the uptrend of 115.10.20. Dollar yen is recovering since the posted long-legged doji, and as you can see here, as the market now takes on the challenge towards the resistance of 110.05 with an objective seen at 110.50. Any pullback should see support now at 109.50 as minor and firmer beneath at 108.65. The pound outlook still remains weak and still looks towards the target of 128.50, with any advances to now find resistance at 129.90 to 130.45. Into tonight, the market now waits for the UK CPI data, and we'll be watching very closely to its release in concerns that the view of how strong the British economy is. The Bank of England recently lowered its inflationary growth and forecast, so it is important to see what these numbers are tonight. Gold outlook is seeing some profit taking as the market retreats from the 1,296 resistance. Overall, I do expect to see a base holding at 72 with further risk towards the upside. Now, a break above 96 would give further scope towards the 1,300 region. Oil took a very heavy tumble overnight and takes out the support of 48.40 and now looks towards 46.70.75 as an objective and reassess from there, with any advances now looking as a cap from 48.60.65. And to wrap up with silver, well, since the long-legged doji posted, the market is retreating from that $17.2025 level and now looking back towards the 16.85 support as profit taking slowly creeps in. It is viewed that the market would either bounce from 85 or from the base of 16.65 and take on the challenge of 17.2025. A break above there would give further scope to the upside around about 17.65 as an objective. But at this stage, the market is seeing a little bit of weakness, so profit taking may continue until the 16.85 challenge. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.